Welcome to Learn with Sai, and in this tutorial we would be covering hyperlink on a web page using client-side image mapping. First we will read the question. Create a web page with an inserted image having JPEG or GIF extension. Create three different shapes which do not overlap. Note the coordinates making use of MS Paint, Microsoft Paint. Each shape should be mapped with a different URL, that is a uniform resource locator, of which two should be to the functional World Wide Web and one URL should be linked to a local web page. Okay, so this is our third experiment, and this is a common experiment for commerce as well as science and arts. So first we have to create a folder wherever we want. We will create a folder on a desktop and we will name it as experiment number 3. We'll open a notepad and we'll start coding with HTML tag. Head tag, title tag. Title would be client site image mapping. We'll close the head tag, and the main part of the web page comes in body tag. First, we'll insert a heading of experiment, that is client site image mapping. H1 tag is the highest level of heading. We have 6 different levels of heading, so H1 is one of the biggest level of heading. We'll save the file in that folder which we have made on desktop, experiment number 3, and since it is the first page, we'll name it as index or any of the name you want. Extension would be HTML or HTM. Save, minimize, and you can see the file which is in Chrome HTML document format, or if you are using Firefox, it would be in Firefox HTML document. Okay, so this is our output, client-side image mapping. As you can see, we have a title of client-side image mapping over here in code, in this code, and we can see the title and heading of the web page, okay, which is client-side image mapping. We have to place this. If you want to place this at center, we'll open center tag and we'll close center tag. Now we'll add image, we'll save, and then click on this. Press F5 to refresh, it will come in center. Now we will insert the image. In order to insert an image, we can Google out any of the wallpaper or a picture of a nature or a landscape. For example, this image. I've already downloaded the image and it is on desktop, Daisy. Okay. And you have to save that image. That means you have to copy that image into the folder where you are working in, or you can cut the image completely from there and you can shift it to the folder. The index file and the image file, both the files should be in the same folder, experiment number 3. Now you can type the name daisy.html JPG. JPG is the extension for the image file, that is Joint Photographic Export Group. Okay, like every file has an extension. Image file has extension of JPEG, GIF, and many other extensions are there. The most the most used extension is JPEG. So we'll use IMG SRC, that is SRC stands for source. IMG is the tag, space, source is attribute, and daisy.jpg. We'll save the file and we'll see, and we'll refresh the page by pressing F5, and you'll get that image on the screen. If in case your spelling is wrong, for example, and if I save the file, you'll get a cracked image, broken image. That means either your spelling is wrong of the file, or the image file doesn't exist in this folder. So it is very much necessary that both the files should be in the same folder and the name of the file should be exactly as it is given on the image. Now we will place the image at center, and again we'll open the file and we'll refresh, or we'll press F5. It would be in the center. Once we have placed the file at the center by using center tag open and center tag close, we can create the hotspot by using map tag. Map tag is a container tag. Okay, the tag which gets opened and closed by a forward slash is known as container tag. So we'll use map tag, and within map tag we'll use area tag space shape is equal to, we'll start with rectangle shape, rect, COORDS for the coordinates. Make sure you type the spelling properly. COORDS double inverted comma space HREF, that is hyperlink reference, to create the hotspot. That's it. Now we'll save this file and we'll open this image. We'll go to that folder and we'll open this image, open with paint, or simply we can open by using edit. By default it will open that image on MS Paint, Microsoft Paint. Now suppose if we want to create a rectangle, so we can draw a rectangle, okay, by pressing Ctrl Z. We can undo the action. If we want to draw a square, we can press Shift and then select the rectangle, you will get square. If you leave the Shift button, then you can create a rectangle. Now for example, if I need a hotspot in this area, then I have to get the coordinates of this point and this point, or either this point or this point. That means vertices, the diagonal vertices cross. So if I'm taking the coordinates of this side, left top corner and right bottom corner, I have to specify the coordinates. So you can see the coordinates over here. You can see the coordinates over here. The coordinates are 267.54. So I'll go to the notepad. I'll type 267, 54, and I will mouse over my pointer to the other side, to the other vertex, diagonal vertex, that is 467. Here you can see the coordinates, that is something around 468,139. 468, 139. Now hyperlink reference. Here it would be HTTP because we need two functional web page and one local page. So we'll type HTTP hypertext transfer protocol colon forward slash www.google.com. We'll save the file and we'll also close this paint. Don't save. We'll open the file and see we don't have the rectangle over here. Okay. Make sure if you're drawing anything on the paint, don't save the file. Just cancel by clicking on don't save. Now you have to name the map name is equal to, you can name it according to you anything, for example SAI, my name Sai, and you can lock this area, that is this map which is named as Sai, with this image. So I will type use map is equal to hash SAI within double inverted comma. Make sure the name which you have given to the map tag should be there in useMap value. Okay, the useMap is the attribute used for client-side image mapping, and the name which you have given to the map should be given to the useMap value. Save the file, refresh, and you will get the output. Okay, so this is a rectangle area wherein you will get the hyperlink hotspot area. This is known as hotspot. When you click on this hotspot, you will get google.com. This is image mapping. Okay, when you mouse over, you will get the hand, and at the left bottom corner you will see the hyperlink. You can see www.google.com over here. In this way we can create rectangle, circle and polygon shape. So we'll create circle, shape is equal to double inverted comma, circle or CIRC, that's it, COORDS is equal to double inverted comma, hyperlink reference is equal to, here we will use http colon forward slash www.facebook.com. Okay, for coordinates, once again we'll open the image file, edit. Here we have created the hotspot, rectangle hotspot. For example, if I want to create the hotspot over here, so I'll get the estimate center of the circle. That would be, you can see the coordinates over here. It would be 607299. 607,299. For circle, you have to specify the center of the circle, and only one parameter is allowed. One parameter is remaining. Here you have to specify two coordinates. Here you have to specify in circle. You have to specify only one coordinate along with the radius of the circle. So your radius is according to the pixels. So you can take the estimate around 100 or 150 or 200 as per your need. So I'll specify over here 150, that would be pixel, and I'll save the file. Okay. Once again we'll minimize, we'll close the image and we'll refresh, and you will see this is the radius. If you see this big is the circle. Okay, there is a 150 radius and the center which we have specified. If we click, you can see the shape. It's facebook.com. So we have linked the page with two functional worldwide web pages, and one URL should be linked to the local web page. So we have to create one local web page. So here we have index file. We have to create one more file. So we'll close the file, okay, and we'll open Notepad once again. We'll create a basic page, head, title. We'll give the title as local page. We'll close the title tag. We'll close the head tag. We'll open the body tag, and we'll type in local page. That's it. We just need a local page to be linked, so the content is not so important. If you want to put in extra content, that depends upon you. We can save it as local.html. Again, make sure the file which are you saving should be in the same folder, local.html. Save. You can also put bg color, bgcolor is equal to yellow. That can be in double inverted comma or not. It's not so compulsory. BG color, it would be a single word, no space should be there between BG color, and the color spelling would be COLOR. It is an American spelling. We'll close the file and we'll refresh the page. Okay. Now we'll open the index file. Index open with. Sometime it happens. We'll if you want to see the code of the page, you will not see the option. You will not get the option for Notepad. You have to click on choose default program. By default, it should be Firefox or Google Chrome, but you have to uncheck more options and you have to scroll down to Notepad. Double click. Okay, so you can see from next time onward, if you click on open with, you'll get the Notepad option. Okay, so again you have to open area tag, shape is equal to, for poly we'll create for poly. For polygon we can create triangle, hexagon, pentagon, any of the shapes. So we'll open the page again, and for example, if you want to draw a triangle, okay, for example over here, I have to specify each and every vertices of this polygon. That is, if it is a triangle, we have to specify 3 coordinates. If it is a pentagon, we have to specify all the coordinates of 5 sides. That is, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. So this would be 234, 337, 234, 337, comma, this would be 164, 492, 164, comma, 492, comma, and this would be 309, 493, 309, comma, 493. Okay, we are done with the coordinates. Okay, and we have to link the page. Hyperlink reference would be the local page which we have created is local.html. We are almost done with the experiment. We'll save the file and we'll close the image. Don't save it, or you will get the drawing refresh the page. Okay, here it is, facebook.com. You can see it over here, facebook.com, that is circle. Here you have google.com, which is a rectangle. Okay, and here we have a triangle, which is a local page. You can see it over here. C, it's an C drive, users, nickel desktop, experiment number 3, and local.html. If you click on this page, if you click on this hotspot, you'll get the local page. This is a local page. That's it. It's a very simple experiment. Okay, and only we have to create two HTML file and we need one single image. Okay, make sure the file name of the image should be exactly as the file name which is stored in that folder. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your mates. Thank you.